Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to build us a cool little vise that's going to go inside of your receiver. Traditional vise, fairly compact. Alright, so first up we got to cut our tubes. The one tube is going to go inside the other one. We'll end up plug welding it and welding it on the outside. You'll see here on the trailer hitch material, there's no seam on the inside. That allows it to slide in very easy. So we have to deburr everything, get the scale off for welding. If you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe to the channel. That fixture table that we had built some time back really comes in handy with these clamps. So the table and the clamps are all on the channel if you ever want to make all this stuff. But it makes it easy to clamp things down for weld ups and that kind of stuff. We plug welded it with a TIG first and then filled it all in with the MIG welder. Alright, so let's get the jaws going. We've got the tube welded now. We've got the jaws roughed in for the fixed. We've got the jaw we got to get sawed out for the movable side as well. Since this is a prototype, everything was hand cut. Later versions, everything will be cut on a plasma table. So with that, a nice coat of paint and time to make sure it works. In case you gotta straighten out a tie rod. Okay, so first off, in order to press these caps out, we gotta get this grease dirt out of there. So we can put it in the vise, grab it on the vise. Get the grease fitting out. And keep in mind, this is all geared up for trail usage. So that caps out. It could be agricultural, right? You could be fixing stuff out in the field. It could be trail. So far, just push it so that it comes the rest of the way. Okay. You pull this cap off. And then you pull your U-joint out. Obviously, in the field, this is broke anyway. Just get everything back together. Big thing is always keep these well greased so that they don't fall out.
press back in. And this one has clips on the side, so you just got to make sure the clips are in far enough. Alright, and then from there, we'll just put our clips back in.
Alright, so that was building the trail vise or the field vise. Right, it can be used either way. You could take it on the trail with you if you're out wheeling hard, in case you blow out a U-joint or something. So if nothing else, I'll see you when the videos will pop up here. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.